Hello, this question is from part test 1, subject control system, and chapter is time domain analysis, and this question is for 1 mark. The given question is the steady state error of the feedback control system with a velocity input. When it becomes infinite, we have to find what is the type of the system is. Is it a type 0 system or type 1 system or type 2 system or type 3 system? So in order to solve this question, we have to follow these steps. That is, first we have to understand what is steady state error is. From that we have to find out, from that we have to learn how to find out type of the system. And after we have understood what is the type of the system is, we have to know what is velocity of the velocity input is and its transfer function, because in question the given system is velocity input, and from the transfer function equation we have to find what is the type of the system. So this is the general steps to solve this question. First we'll understand what is steady state error is. Steady state error is nothing but at the output, if we are not getting expected output. And the general equation of steady state error is this one. Let us take it as equation 1 for the further calculation. Next we'll understand what is type of the system and how to find type of the system. So this is the general equation, general transform equation. Type of the system is dependent upon the poles of the system. That is, example, if pole is 1, then system is type 1. If pole is 2, then system is type 2. And now we have understood how to find out pole of the system. Now coming to the question, well, here we have velocity input, that is nothing but ramp input. Ramp input transfer for response is given in this figure, and its function is given in this equation, and applying Laplace transform to this function we'll obtain transfer function of the system. So we have transfer function of the system, and assume, as we are finding steady state error, we'll assume error constant is as k, which is equal to limit s tends to s into g of s. We'll take it as equation 2. Substituting the transfer function and error constant in the equation in the steady state error, we are obtaining this equation. We are substituting transfer function of ramp input in the steady state error equation. So after simplifying, we obtain limit of s tends to 0 a into s of 1 plus g s, and g of s value is by equation 2, that is k. From this equation we can find out that pole is nothing but 1. Therefore the system is type 1 system. So the answer is B, type 1 system. So in this question we have understood what is steady state error is and how to find out type of the system, and from that type of the system we can find out what is the characteristics of the system.